In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily report YouTube video on mobile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube application, and then we just need to search for a video we would like to report. Once we find one, we need to tap right here at these three dots, then tap at report, and then all we have to do is just choose one of these 6 options, and to send a report, tap at report. Also, we can do the same thing from the video watch page. To do that, we need to tap at video once. Also, we can do it in the full screen mode. We need to tap at video and then tap at gear, and that's where we can easily find a report option. We can also tap on it, select from more options. There are more options than 6. And then we can select one and hit add report.